Okay guys, good afternoon. This is Robert from Trade the Moment. It's Wednesday, January 20th. It's approximately 1:55. We are looking at a Tesla trade right here. We're looking for a break above 850.50. Right here above 850.50 on Tesla as a long, as a quick scalp. This trade is going to take out this top consolidation here up until 11 o'clock. If you look at it, kind of made a consolidated from 11 o'clock to now. It's trying to get above it. Soon it gets above it, you can see it's above VWAP, so it's a good healthy trade. If you could break out of this range at 850, we could let this one run. And the other one we're looking at is IWM as your short. So you got Tesla as a long, and looking at IWM as a short. If you look at it on a 5 to the right of your screen, we're looking at it right here. And the reason for that is it was up above VWAP, it broke below it, sold off, came down to approximately 213 and change, rallied back up to VWAP. You see that? Went to VWAP as you got a declining 20. So you got a declining 20, runs to VWAP, it hits VWAP and dies there. And this is where it found support again, right about here, about 213. It found support. That runs back up again, goes through the 20 SMA, and what does it do? Hits VWAP, bounces again. So we can get below approximately 213.15. We're going to call that a short on the Russell, but not before. So it's 213.50 as your short on the Russell. And it's 8.50 cents on Tesla as a long. One long, one short, and here comes Tesla now. Tesla's about to go. It's 29. Look at the tape, 825, 850 or above. Tesla as a long. $850.30. Market's up 238, the Dow, the Nasdaq's up in insane 250 points. And Tesla's about to break out of this tight range here of 850.50 we're looking for. So you got 850, 16, 18, 08, 02. So this is a tight range. It may take a little more time. As you can see, it's been trying it all day since since 11:45 we'll call it. So I think we're going to get there now. I think it's going to break through. The market's been healthy. I mean, it's still up 240 points. 850.50 on Tesla. Looks real good as a long. And IWM, if it continues, the small caps can get a little weaker. I think if this market does sell off, I do think we'll go through the 213.15. And I do think we'll make some money there. So you got a little time on IWM, and here comes Tesla now one more time. It's going to try it. We're going to pause this. This may take a little time. We don't want to run a long video for no reason. But 850.50 is the move. Here it is, 39. Maybe we'll stay here. Maybe we'll take it out. Looking for Tesla to break that 850.50 or above to be a long. There it goes. Tesla's now is 851. Take some profits at 854. See how it goes. Maybe we'll take the whole position. Maybe we'll take part of it. It's $1 in Tesla. $851.75. It's $1.50. 852 is $1.50. Come on, let's break 852. Here we go. It's $1.50, $1.40. Try to take out 853. See if we could take 853. That will give us 2.5. 853 is what we're looking for, to trim a little bit into that. It's a nice bar. It's green. Got in this at 850.50 was a call out. Looking for 853 to take some profit. Tesla's struggling a little bit today. It's only up $7. The Russell ain't ready yet. The Russell needs a sell-off in the market. I don't think this trade's going to go, but we are watching it. It is on the board. I have it on another screen. There we go. 852.25, 37. So keep an eye on Tesla. I am still scanning. GameStop looks good. I'm looking at GameStop. I'll put them on this watch list here. Another trade I may get involved with in GameStop. I'll go to GameStop. Give me 1 second, guys. GameStop looks good. It's trying to break out. It's above VWAP. It's cleared all this noise here, right about here. So everything up into 39 and change is noise. So if we can get this to break out, we got some upside here. Right now we printed some red candles. So we're gonna go back to Tesla. We got another green bar. So now we got 852.80. At 53. There we go, 853. You can start taking some profits. That's $2.5 on Tesla. Let's see if we can get 854 and close this position at 854. We'll take some profits, or maybe close the whole position. $52.80, $70. Looking real good, Tesla. So we caught the breakout, and we could put a stop in place now on, on the balance. You should have gotten rid of 1/4 to 1/2 already on that 853. That's a $2.5 move. If you only got rid of 1/4 of the position, then move your stop to break out even at 850.50, and you've gotten paid a little bit, and you've taken off all risk. If you sold half, congrats on the half out at 853. It's $250 profit. That didn't take more than 5 minutes, and you have a trade that's running with an 850.50 stop. So you got a free trade on half, and you got some profits. This trade took no more than 5 minutes. Got to try to get above 53 and then run to 54, where we will take, if not half, at least another 1/4. Dow's coming in a little bit now. Let's see the Russell. Russell's still strong. Small caps ain't up much today. It's underperforming the market. If you look, it's only up 53 cents. So the Russell small cap isn't up much. This is the reason we like it short, because it's below VWAP. It faded early in the morning. It popped. It faded. It rallied. It failed here. It failed here every time it hit VWAP, and won't be surprised if it fails here. So we're looking for a short if we can get there. It goes back to Tesla now. Tesla's 52.50. We're going to pause this now, and we're going to see if we can get to 54. Okay guys, here we are with a brief pause. We left with Tesla. We wanted to see 854. So we have 854 now. You take another part of the position out. This position we entered at 850.50, so 852.50 was 853 was one move, $2.50, and took another part of it at 854. So I would take 855 to balance. So if you got half left or a third left or a quarter left, close it at 855. That will give you $4.50 move on the last part. Not bad. Got involved at 850.50. 853 took a part. 854 took another part, and take the balance at 855. You're at 854.21. Anything 855 or above is good. The stop is in place for the balance at 850.50. You can move the stop up now if you want to 850. Let's see, 852.80. So that is your stop now. 852.80, and the original position is entered at 850.50. So if you stop that on the last of it, you made $2.30. So you made $2.50 on the first part, $3.50 on the next partial, and your stop now is moved up to 852.80, and that will give you $2.30 minimum. Not bad. Really, really nice. So let's see if we get stopped out here at 852.80. Watch the tape on the bottom. If not, 854. 855 will release the last of it. And that would be $4.50 on the last part of the trade. Not bad, guys. As we spoke about the Russell a little while ago, and the Russell starting to come in, got close to VWAP. Probably was a good short up here, but I didn't do nothing. I am waiting for confirmation on 213.50, and I'll go short. Hopefully it'll be a little later on in the day as you go into the close. Hopefully it'll work its way down, and then we'll get a flush. But in the meantime, we're going to stay with Tesla. We have a stop in place at 853. 852.80, I'm sorry. That's the stop. 852.80. 850.50 was the entry long. So it was a nice trade. Got paid. It just seems when I'm not in Tesla, it seems to jump $6-8. When I'm in it, it seems to grind out. But nonetheless, I'm not complaining. It was a winning trade. It was a good trade for everyone that took it at 850.50. Let's just see if we could get paid on the last part. We're at 854. We are looking for 855 for $4.50 part on the last part. Need one push, guys. That's all we need. Here we go. 12, 13, 854, 16. Nice. 30. Here we go. 35. Come on, baby. Let's see 855. $47, $53, $43. We're getting there. It's just taking forever. It's about a half hour already with this trade. We're never in trouble. We entered 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's 16 minutes actually, a little longer. And don't forget now, we got to stop in. We're stopped out. Alright guys, it was a good trade. We got stopped out on the last part at 852.80. So the last part was $2.30. So we got $2.50 on the first part, $3.50 on the second part, and $2.30 on the last part. Not a bad trade, guys. Not bad at all when you get paid.